Getting cash out by EFTPOS in AAAPOS RetailManager. There are two options for EFTPOS in AAAPOS RetailManager. Connected EFTPOS terminal. The EFTPOS terminal is linked to your RetailManager system. Unconnected EFTPOS terminal. The EFTPOS terminal is not linked to RetailManager, and you will need to process the cash out directly on the EFTPOS terminal. If you're using an unconnected EFTPOS terminal, please refer to Setup, Hardware, EFTPOS in the RetailManager video tutorials for more information on how to configure the terminal. To get cash out by EFTPOS during a sale. RetailManager allows customers to withdraw cash from EFTPOS when the customer is paying for a purchase. In the following example, a customer wants to pay for a $60 purchase on EFTPOS and get out $40 cash. Using an unconnected EFTPOS terminal. Select EFTPOS in Payment Methods. Type 100 in the Paying field and press Enter. Choose Cash from the Payment Methods list. The balance will show as a negative amount, for example, -$40 for the cash out. Press Enter again. The Commit Transaction window will appear. Confirm the transaction to process the cash out. Using a connected EFTPOS terminal. Make sure the EFTPOS payment type is enabled and the Allow Cash Out option is selected in the payment settings. See the Setup menu, Options, Payment Types in the RetailManager video tutorials for more information. Select EFTPOS in Payment Methods. Type 100 in the Paying field and press Enter. A prompt will appear asking if you want to process a cash out, for example, $40, with the transaction. Click Yes to confirm the cash out. Swipe the customer's EFTPOS card and follow the terminal's prompts. Once the terminal indicates the transaction is approved, click Approve in the electronic payment window. For Ingenico PC EFTPOS, approval is automatic, no need to click Approve. RetailManager will then commit the transaction. To get cash out by EFTPOS without a sale. RetailManager allows customers to withdraw cash from EFTPOS without a sale, if your business policy allows it. Using an unconnected EFTPOS terminal. Go to the Sales window, enter your staff number and press Enter to skip the fields until you reach the Payment Details section. Select EFTPOS payment type. Enter the amount of cash the customer wants to withdraw and press Enter. Choose the cash payment type. The EFTPOS amount will be displayed as a negative amount in the cash field. Press Enter again and confirm the transaction by clicking Yes. Using a connected EFTPOS terminal. Go to the Sales window, enter your staff number and press Enter until you reach the Payment Details frame. Select EFTPOS payment type. Enter the amount of cash the customer wants to withdraw and press Enter. A prompt will appear asking if this is a cash-out only transaction. Click Yes to proceed. Swipe the customer's card and follow the terminal's prompts. Once the EFTPOS terminal indicates approval, click Approve. For Ingenico PC EFTPOS, approval is automatic, no need to click Approve. RetailManager will then commit the transaction. Important notes. If you're using an unconnected EFTPOS terminal, you must complete the transaction directly on the EFTPOS machine after following the steps in RetailManager. Make sure your EFTPOS payment type is properly set up and that the Allow Cash Out option is enabled in the RetailManager payment type window. By following these steps, you can successfully process EFTPOS cash outs during or without a sale in AAAPOS RetailManager.